Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Minecraft on Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. To get Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch 2, you need two things first. A Nintendo account and the cost of the game, which is around $30. Make sure your Nintendo account is signed in on your console before starting. Begin at the home screen. Scroll and select the Nintendo eShop icon. Open it with the account linked to your Switch. After the eShop opens, go to Search or Browse. In the search bar, type Minecraft. It will appear in the results list. Select Minecraft. Press the A button to open the game page. Select Continue, then choose your payment method, such as credit card or PayPal. Complete the purchase to add the game to your library. Once the purchase is done, press the Home button. Minecraft will start downloading to your device. When the download finishes, you will see the Minecraft icon on your home screen. Select it to start the game and enjoy. So that's basically how you can play Minecraft on Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks.